Hey friends, if you wish to know more about Certmgr msc or Certificate Manager in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You know what? You can simply search for Certificate Manager directly and then go to Manage User Certificates. You don't need the command. Now, all certificates of your system are in this directory. These are the personal ones and these are the enterprise ones, the rest of them. Okay, you can check all the details of these certificates by clicking on them. Okay, it will say issued to, issued by, valid from this to this. Okay, so many of these are dynamic certificates and they keep on changing. This is where you will find all the certificates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.